Good morning. Going to Kamakya temple. It's not easy to make a blog on Kamakya. This temple is so different. There is no idol or image in the main temple. Instead, there is a sunken slab in an underground cave which looks like the yoni, the vagina, the reproductive female organ. Kamakya today is almost part of the expanding city of Guwahati, but earlier it was not. Located on Nilachal Hill, this was a secluded place, away from the public eye. Access to Kamakya was through steep climbing until a path with some stairs were made a few centuries back. Now it's very easy to reach Kamakya by road. Kamakya is one of the most mysterious temples in India. It has been the center of Tantra and black magic for centuries. Nobody knows when the original temple was built. The geology department of Guwahati University had found two layers below the present temple. The oldest layer is about 2200 years old. According to one myth, the temple marks the spot where the yoni or the reproductive organ of goddess Sati fell during Lord Shiva's Tantra trance, the dance of destruction.
क्या नाम है आपका?
रामायण राजवंशी।
रामायण
राजवंशी।
राजवंशी। ये सब ये ड्राई फ्रूट है ना? ये आपका नकुलदाना क्या है?
नकुलदाना है।
बड़ा छोटा ये मूढ़ी है और पेड़ा है।
मंदिर की ओर यहाँ भोग का वितरण होता है दोपहर 12 बजे के बाद। This is the main entry to temple premises.
ऑफिस कहाँ है? ऑफिस PRO ना?
We have a voucher for VIP tickets of 501 rupees each. Needs to exchange the voucher with actual ticket from the PRO office.
दीपांकर शर्मा भंडार। नीचे उतरो यहाँ से। नाम बढ़िया है।
इसे बना देगा?
This is the main Kamakya temple. Below this is the Sanctum Sanctorum. The general queue is free. The temple is divided into 4 chambers. These 3 chambers were built at different times, much later than the main temple.
भी नहीं, बाइक में।
दिस इज बोली घर। यहाँ पर जानवरों की बलि चढ़ती है। कबूतर, मुर्गा, बकरी, आमतौर पर भैंसों की बलि भी चढ़ाई जाती है। Among the major places of worship in India, Kamakhya stands as the only place where regular animal sacrifices take place and offered to the goddess. Kamakhya is probably the most important of the 51 Shakti Peeth, where body parts of Sati fell in and around India. Kamakhya's origin is shrouded in legends and myths that continue to captivate the imagination of all visitors.
मेन मंदिर गर्भगृह कहाँ पर है? वो है, वो है। अच्छा, और उसका जो नीचे सीढ़ी जाता है,
और नाम क्या चला
हम जब पहले आए ये नहीं था।
ऐसे बनाया नहीं बनाया, ये हो गया 4-5 साल हो गया, 4-5 साल हो गया।
ये किस लिए बना है?
ये तो माता का भूख भर जो अन्न सेवा होता है।
अच्छा, अन्न सेवा।
हाँ, और ये तो माता का मूर्ति बना दिया है, आदमी को बाहर बाहर देखने की बात करते हैं।
हाँ,
ये जो आपको जो माता का खास अधिष्ठान है ना, उसका एक माता जी काल्पनिक मूर्ति है, कामेश्वर कामेश्वर।
नहीं, हम लोग 30 साल पहले, 25 साल पहले आए, 94 में आए, 94-95। तब हम गवर्नमेंट में था, हमको गवर्नमेंट का आदमी ले आया।
आजकल बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है यार, सिस्टमेटिक बनना हो गया है। आजकल आपको कम से कम मिनिमम आपको 2100 नहीं तो 2200 आदमी नॉर्मल लाइन में जाना चाहिए। अरे यहाँ 1000 जो हैवी कार्ड है ना, जो 501 और यहाँ जो इसी कोई उपायुक्त से पास लेता है ना, हो जाता है 250। ऐसे में नियम बना गया है।
हमने तो ये लिया,
नॉर्मल को लिया है,
ये 500 रुपये वाला।
ये तो 500 रुपये लगेगा,
लेकिन इसमें भी वो बोला
इसमें दाम लेके है।
The Sanctum Sanctorum, where one sees the yoni-shaped curve on the stone slab floor, is dark, wet, and poorly lit. There is a constant flow of water from 2 perennial underground springs around this hollow. According to tradition, the cycle of menstruation of the Kamakhya falls in June. During this time, for about 3 days, the temple gate is closed. A white cloth placed on this hollow, in 3 days' time, the cloth turns red. Even the water of Brahmaputra flowing nearby also turns reddish. Scientists say the hill has large deposits of iron and cinnabar which change the water color. Well, it may be so, but why on these particular days only? The phenomenon occurs during Ambubachi, the annual fertility festival in 2nd or 3rd week of June, when the river is in full flow. ब्रह्मपुत्र का लेवल काफ़ी बढ़ जाती है और यही कारण है कि आयरन और सिनाबार डिपॉजिट्स से पानी लाल सा हो जाता है। इसके बारे में 2-3 रिव्यूज़ हमने पढ़ा है। उसमें से एक क्लेम करते हैं कि ही बिलोंग टू द फैमिली ऑफ प्रिस्ट्स ऑफ कामाख्या टेम्पल। उन्होंने भी यही रीज़न बताया है। सो आई विल जस्ट रीड इट आउट फॉर यू। द Ba Kamakhya temple is on a hillock of iron ore hematite, and due to rising water levels during monsoons, the water mixes with the rust and turns red. The same rising water levels causes water to flow out from certain cracks and fissures within the hill's bowels. Now, some enterprising fellows in ancient times imagined a specific crack to resemble the yoni or female genitalia, and the annual flow of red or rust-reddened water as menses and proceeded to monetize the idea. For all those who will accuse me of being blasphemous, may kindly note that my family is linked with the chief pandits of the temple, and this theory was originally proposed by my great-grandfather, who received his primary schooling in the temple itself. This would also reflect on my caste, I guess, but my grandmother always taught us that knowledge, deeds and thoughts define our caste rather than birth. The Mela is a recent phenomenon, again for monetary purposes. Another comment: as a matter of fact, the mineral cinnabar is intimately connected with Shakti worship, with two of the most important shrines, Kamakhya and Hinglaj in Pakistan, located in areas with cinnabar deposits. Hinglaj is named for Hingula, the Sanskrit word for cinnabar. The Sanskrit word Sindura and the Greek word Kinabari are possibly cognates. It is possible that the use of Sindura in worship began precisely due to its association with these shrines. The last factor to take into account is that the Brahmaputra river begins its seasonal flooding during the time of Ambubachi Mela. So river filled with iron-rich sediments plus underground cave system filled with mercuric sulfide plus river in spate is blood red water. No mystery, no theology, only geology. In general queue, it takes about 4 to 5 hours to reach the main shrine. With VIP tickets, it takes about 2 hours at least. Considering the long queue, we prayed from outside. कामाख्या को प्रणाम करके हम निकलते हैं बाहर की तरफ। ये एक यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस था और रहेगा। मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में कुछ डिटेल्स डाल रखे हैं, आप उसको पढ़िएगा, शायद आपको और भी डिटेल्स इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाए। माई नेक्स्ट व्लॉग्स में बी on the series of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.